In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to make thousands of dollars every month with part-time jobs. You only need to spend a few hours each day, whether you're a student or already working, and you can still do it. And the best part, you don't need to invest any money. So hit that like button and let's start the video. The first job is tutoring. This is definitely a great choice because it's flexible and easy to get into. You can use your own knowledge and skills in a productive way. Nowadays, tutoring isn't just a side gig, it can be a steady source of income. You can teach any subject you're good at, like English, math, programming, or even music. What's most important is your ability to explain things clearly. No matter how good you are, if you can't make it easy to understand, it's hard to be successful. For example, if you're teaching English, you don't just need to know grammar and vocabulary. You also need to make lessons fun and engaging for your students. Many tutors have improved their teaching skills after taking a few courses on teaching methods. There are plenty of free or online courses available that can help you become a better tutor. With just a little bit of time, you'll see a big difference in how you teach. To get started, first evaluate what subjects you're most confident in. If you're good at English, make sure you know what level you can teach. Then, focus on how to make the lessons easy to understand. Techniques like breaking down the content into smaller parts and using real-life examples will help you teach more effectively. Once you're ready, the next step is to find students. Thanks to technology, it's easier than ever to find students through social media or online tutoring platforms like Preply or Tutor.com. These are great places to start because you can create a profile, describe your skills and experience, and get a steady flow of students. These platforms help you focus on teaching without worrying about finding students. As for income, it depends on your experience, the subject, and where you live. For beginners, rates can start at around $10 to $20 per hour. But as you gain more experience and receive positive feedback, your rate can go up to $50 or more. In bigger cities or when teaching for companies, you can even earn higher. Tutoring not only brings you income, but also helps you improve your own skills and communication. You'll learn how to explain complex ideas in simple ways and work with different kinds of students. It's also flexible. You can teach just a few students each day, which doesn't take much time, but still gives you a good income. If you're still unsure, give it a try. Tutoring can bring you more opportunities than you think. The second part-time job you could try is becoming a video editor. This is a really promising job, especially now when the demand for video editing is growing fast. With the rise of social media and video content, being a video editor is one of the hottest jobs this year. What's cool is that you can start from scratch. You only need a computer or even a smartphone with good processing power, video editing software, and access to learning materials. For example, YouTube has tons of free tutorials where you can learn everything from basic video cutting, adding effects, sound editing, to more advanced techniques like adding subtitles or special effects. These skills not only help you master the technical side, but also allow you to handle various projects. Remember, success comes from practice, not just learning theory. After you've learned the basics, it's time to practice by creating your own projects. You can edit videos for yourself, your friends, or even volunteer for free projects to build your portfolio. The more projects you have in your portfolio, the better your chances of getting hired. A small tip is to look for clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, where many clients are searching for video editors. When starting out, take small projects to gain experience, collect feedback, and build your reputation. One real-life example is using social media to find clients. Many bloggers or small business owners need video editors to help create their content. You can reach out to them directly through Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok and offer your services. I know a friend who did this, and within a few months, they had a steady stream of clients thanks to these platforms. As for income, in the beginning, you might earn around $10 to $20 for simple tasks like cutting or adding subtitles to videos. But once you have more experience and a quality portfolio, editing a full YouTube video, including special effects, animations, and music, can pay you $100 or more. Professional editors can earn several $100s per project, and for large projects, even over $1,000. Another interesting thing is that video editing isn't just limited to freelance work. You can sign contracts with companies and become their regular video editor. For example, many marketing companies need video editors to create content for their campaigns. This could be a part-time or remote job with a flexible schedule, which is perfect for those who want to balance it with a full-time job or school. In short, video editing is not only a great way to earn extra money, but also helps you develop your creativity, improve your skills, and open up new opportunities. If you're looking for a flexible part-time job that can also grow into a full-time career, this is a great choice. The third part-time job you can consider is starting your own business. Many people think starting a business is a big deal that takes too much time, so they think it's not suitable for a side job. But that's not true. You don't need to open a big company. You can start a small online business and only spend a few hours a day on it, and still make good money. One great example of a small business is building a team of experts in the digital field. You can gather a group of freelancers like designers, content writers, and marketing specialists, then manage the work and find clients. The exciting part is that you earn from the difference between what you pay your team and what clients pay you. Sounds interesting, right? To start this kind of business, you only need a few basic skills in marketing and management. You can easily learn these skills through online courses, which are both time-saving and effective. Begin by choosing the field your team will work in, like graphic design, social media marketing, or web development. Then find skilled freelancers on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to join your team. Once you have your team, the most important step is finding clients. You can do this through LinkedIn, create your own website, or even run ads to target potential customers. Remember, starting a business isn't just about making money. It's also a chance to grow personally and build a solid future. In fact, many people have turned their small side businesses into their main job after a period of growth. Running your own business gives you both income and freedom, allowing you to control the process and develop in the direction you love. Of course, in the beginning, you'll need to invest time and effort, but the results will be worth it. You'll not only manage the process, but also grow your business the way you want. So, with these 3 part-time job options, tutoring, video editing, and starting your own business, you can easily boost your income and build your career. The key is to start today. Keep learning and improve your skills. Success comes to those who take challenges and stick to their goals. In previous videos, I've shared many ways to make money online for beginners, so make sure to check out the playlist linked in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. See you in the next video.